Hello guys, and welcome back to Go Unequipped, the EDC channel for the everyday curry enthusiast. Now, in today's video, I wanted to share with you 5 modern folders under £100 that I would recommend to anyone, whether you're just getting into EDC or you're a very elderly person and find it a bit difficult to open penknives and the like. So these are 5 modern folders that I would suggest. They're all under £100 and UK legal. The reason I chose them to be all under £100 is that I wanted them to be accessible to a wide range of people as well. And yeah, we'll get into it and see if you agree. If these are 5 that you'd recommend. So first of all, there's quite a bit of hype behind this knife, and for me it's with good reason, and that is the Civivi Elementum slip joint. The ergonomics of this are fantastic, the price is decent. I'm not going to go into big details and specs on all these knives. A lot of them I've covered before, and if I haven't, I will do in the future. But just 5 that I'd recommend to you guys. So yeah, first of all, Civivi Elementum slip joint. Easy to open, you've got a nice half stop and you've got a great finger choil there, making it very safe to use. Ergonomics are great and it looks very cool in my opinion too. I've gone for the stealthy black version. There are a big variety of different versions, wood handles. I've seen a blue sort of wavy version. Yeah, there's a lot of colours and variations to this, so to suit whatever style you have. So knife number 1, Civivi Elementum slip joint. Knife number 2, we're going to Japan for this one. This is a friction folding knife. This is at the budget end of the knives that I have here. And this is the Higona Kami. For something that's handmade, stylish, has a nice Japanese detail. Hopefully it's not offensive. As you can see here, you've got this sort of tab that you can push back to open the knife. Once it is open, simply keep your pressure applied to the tab there, and it'll keep the knife open when in use, making it very safe in my opinion. Looks very cool, stylish. This was £35. There are cheaper versions. I've got a black version which cost me £25. For something that looks like this, handmade, light, very good profile. I don't think you could go wrong with that. Knife number 3. This one cost me £115. Now, I said I wanted the knives to be under £100. This is the Spyderco UK PK. They start from around £80 depending on what material, so I just thought I'd show you this to give you an idea. They are available under that price range as well. Again, slimline, stylish, looks cool. Ergonomics again, very safe to use. Spyderco UK PK is my number 3. Number 4. What can I say about this knife? It's quite unusual. I have shown it before, but knife number 4 is the Acta Non-Verba Z070. You've got this glow in the dark section, so if you put a torch on that, it will light up. It's supposed to be two-handed opening, but you can pretty much do it with one. Again, there you can keep your finger under that finger choil, and by keeping your thumb on the back of the spine there, again, it's going to make it very hard to close on you, so very safe in use once again. Very stylish, very different to most sort of looks of pocket knives out there, I think you'll agree, and that's why it's my number 4. finally, number 5. This is an item from Twisted Assisted, which is a UK brand. Available in a variety of colours again, sort of black, orange. I've got this militaristic green version, which I think is very cool. I previously had a pink version, which the woman in my life had off me. But yeah, once again, nice number 5. Very cool little piece. So there you go, guys. It's 5 UK legal modern folding knives that I would definitely recommend. I know there's plenty out there that I haven't come across or maybe missed out, but there are definitely 5 that I would recommend to anyone. I'll give the Going Equipped seal of approval. Until next time, stay cool, drink plenty of water, and keep going equipped. Goodbye.